Welcome to ProjX, the ultimate marketplace for buying and selling computer science projects. To get started, sign up if you're a new user or log in if you already have an account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Browse Projects section. Click on any project to view its full details, including the title, description, technologies used, and price. You'll also find a demo video showing how to run the project. Feel free to watch it before making a decision. Once you've found the perfect project, click the Purchase Project button. A secure payment gateway will open. Enter your phone number to proceed. You can choose from multiple payment options. Here, I'll be using UPI. Enter your UPI ID. Then click Verify and Pay. Open your UPI app and complete the payment. Once the payment is successful, you'll instantly gain access to the project's folders. You can access all project documents and materials right here. That's it. You've successfully purchased a project on ProjX. Keep exploring, gain hands-on experience, and level up your learning journey. Visit ProjX.space and kickstart your project journey today. Thank you for choosing ProjX.